Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my daily cleaning routine / daily tidying up routine. These are all the things that I have to do around the house to keep it in order almost every day or every other day. We do have friends come over, people over, we do have cats, so there's always a reason to clean up around here. But today I'm just gonna be showing you guys my little daily duties. I already posted my deep cleaning routine, so if you guys haven't seen that one, I'll link that one down below as well. And another big announcement, if you guys missed it in my last video, we are moving. We're moving houses, so if you guys notice kind of piles of boxes and things kind of out of order and things off the wall, that is why. So if you guys missed that packing video, I'll link that one down below as well. And let's just go ahead and get started. So the first thing I have to do is tidy up this bed. Somehow do that with this cat sitting here. He's always in the middle of things when I'm trying to do the bed. So anyways, gotta make the bed and then we'll work our way downstairs. So it's definitely not the most perfect looking bed. Look at these two. Are you guys having fun? You making mommy's job harder? Now I'm gonna bring a load of laundry downstairs. My laundry room is actually in the basement, so I'm doing towels today. I like to at least do one load a day, so I just leave it here by the kitchen so I can bring the laundry down when I'm done cleaning the rest of the house. And now that I'm downstairs, I'm gonna be cleaning and decluttering the kitchen. This is something I usually have to do probably once or twice a day, morning and evening. There's always clutter that gets stuck here. It just ends up messy every single day, no matter what. So this is always something I have to do. These are the dishes in the sink from last night's dinner, so I did not get to that last night, so I'm dealing with it today. So the first thing I do to get started is light a scented candle. This makes all the difference and just gets me in that cleaning mood. And now onto one of my least favorite things to do, unloading the dishwasher. I don't know about you guys, but I find this job so annoying. I think I have to do it probably once or twice a day. This dishwasher gets filled with cups and mugs and dishes all the time, and when it's not cleaned out, my entire kitchen is messy. So this is always something that I have to do. And this is just a constant cycle because as I unload my clean dishes, I gotta load back in my dirty ones. So I'm loading in everything from last night's dinner, everything that I didn't get a chance to clean, and I'm washing everything by hand that I'm not gonna be sticking in there. So all of my baking sheets and pots and pans, I'm gonna clean by hand and put them out to dry. And now to clean down all my surfaces, I'm going to be using this Method All-Purpose Natural Cleaner, and this is in the scent Apple Crisp, I think. It smells so good. I usually use this on almost everything. My sink, my counters, my tables, any kind of surface. I think it works great, so I'm just going to clean up this sink and get it smelling great. And now onto decluttering these countertops. I have to do this all the time because this countertop ends up being a drop-off place for so many different things, so I'm just trying to find a new home for everything and clean this all up because as soon as you do this, the kitchen automatically looks cleaner. And now I can finally clean down my countertops. I'm using that same multi-surface cleaner that I used on the sink. It just smells so great and works perfectly. So I usually get a lot of crumbs and food left over on these counters daily. So I end up doing this probably 2 or 3 times a day, just kind of after every single meal, making sure that all the surfaces are clean. And last thing I do before I leave the kitchen is run the dishwasher. So I turn this on so I can leave the kitchen clean and tidy and move on to the next room while the dishes are being washed. And as I leave my kitchen, I'm bringing this laundry all the way downstairs. My laundry room is so far away from upstairs, so it makes it a lot harder to do laundry, but I'm just loading in all these towels with some Tide Pods, and then I can forget about this for the rest of the day. And
And now making my way back upstairs, I always notice the hair and the dust that gets caught on these steps. So I'm pulling out my vacuum and starting to vacuum these floors. This vacuum works so well for me. I'm gonna actually link it down below because I think it's great for anybody that has pets. It's actually a pet vacuum, so that's probably why, but nothing seems to get caught in it. It has great suction power, and it has this cool feature that like allows you to bend it like an elbow, and you don't have to bend down, you don't have to move your furniture out of the way. It just kind of gets in between everything. It also allows you to take this separate smaller part off and vacuum the stairs or really any small area. So I love this part because it just makes it so much easier for me to lug this vacuum around, and it's just really light and cordless. Another room I have to tidy up is this family room. It tends to get pretty messy because it's a hangout spot, things are left here, so I'm always picking up pillows, putting things back where they're supposed to be, and just tidying this room up. Now back to my vacuuming duties. These cats literally rip each other's hair out when they play with each other. This is just from one day of them playing, so I always have to vacuum up their hairballs that float around the house. It feels like I'm living in a desert of tumbleweeds floating around this home. So again, this vacuum picks up all of the cat hair and just makes it so much easier for me to clean. And now onto the front entryway. Usually the only thing I do around here is just tidy up the shoes. So they're usually tossed around like this every day, and I just line them up, and I think that makes the front entryway just look way neater and cleaner. So I just tidy up the shoes and move anything out of the way that shouldn't really be there. Other than that, I just keep my vacuum with me, turn it on, and vacuum up any other cat hair that's around here, and then I go up the stairs to vacuum the stairs. And the last thing I do is clean up after my cats. So I refill their food and water and clean up their little food station over here. They always push the food onto the floor and it just looks really messy. So I just use the tiny part of this vacuum here and just handheld vacuum up everything that I need to, and it just makes this whole area look way cleaner.
Alright guys, that's pretty much it for my daily cleaning and tidying routine. Those are all the little things that I do daily or every other day just to keep this house looking clean and fresh and smelling really good. So I have my dishwasher running, my washing machine running, and the candles are lit, and it's starting to smell amazing in here. So it's all ready for the day. I usually like to get all these things done right after the gym early in the morning and get it all done before like 11:30, 12. So that's usually my goal, so I can continue on with the day and my house is looking clean. So it's not a huge deep cleaning routine, but all the little things I did today really make such a big difference around here. So I hope you guys liked today's video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button for me. And if you haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and click the red subscribe button down below, and make sure you guys turn my notifications on so you guys don't miss my upcoming videos. I'm moving into a new house. I can't wait to show you guys the empty house tour, and then we can go along room by room transforming the spaces and decorating. So I can't wait to have you guys here for all of that. Comment down below if you guys do a daily cleaning routine or daily chores. Let me know if you guys have a list of things to do daily and what those are, or if I should add anything to mine. I'll grab some ideas from you guys can grab some ideas from mine, and we'll all have clean, happy homes. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.